How to enable share option on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can enable the share option on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now what this basically means is that sometimes you might have uploaded something but your friends are not being able to share them. And why is that actually happening? Well, you can see this one, right? So this is something that, let's say I choose the privacy and then I set this to, let's say, only me or friends, right? So when I have saved the privacy, let's say someone else has views my profile, so I will just go to this little option and select view as. So this is someone else's perspective of my profile, right? The public, general public is going to view like this. So now when they scroll down here, you can see that there is no that little option over there which is to share. Now let me just change it. This happens when you have actually set your photo privacy to friends or friends and friends. So if someone public is actually trying to see it, so which means, let me just come back again here, so sorry for this. I'll just tap the three dots option and select view as, and now if I scroll down, you will definitely be able to see the picture, but the problem is that you will not be able to see the view as or the share option. Now to fix this, all you have to do is you need to make that profile picture public. So when you make that profile picture public, your friends and everyone else will be able to share them as well. So this way you should be able to go ahead and enable the share option. Hope this video is helpful. If you have got any questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.